It's been said Coinbase is only good for Bitcoin and Ethereum, while every other crypto is a dust coin or worthless. If that's true, how valuable can Coinbase really be, and what's the future of the platform? Stash, drop some gems for us.
Yeah, totally, man. I mean, what's hard about Coinbase is how much they're overexposed to crypto as an asset class, and how much like their core thesis as a business is tied to not only Bitcoin and Ethereum sentiment, but also a lot of these altcoins. You have Polkadot, you have multiple altcoins, trading at $30-$40 a share, up like 2,000% from this year, and that's hard because it is a lot of uncertainty. So I would be a bit cautious when it comes to all of the super bullish Coinbase sentiment. I think the public markets have reacted a bit to that, since their listing. But I mean, we'll see in this next year.
Right. Coinbase reached a high at 429. It's settled down a little bit now. Daniel, your thoughts on this?
Yeah, I mean, I agree with what Stash is saying. But the interesting thing is that Coinbase has a user base of 60 million people. That's a lot of people with a market cap of 90 billion. So, I agree that there is some level of, kind of a bubble sentiment, but it's still overall, when we think about crypto, it is at the early stages of development. If we compare that to, is akin to the internet. When it was developed in the 60s, nobody knew what was going to happen to it. And then in the 80s, we had kind of the network effect of computerization. And then now all the foundations of tech is built on the internet. So that's akin to crypto and what we're going to be seeing in the future.
Good points. Sarah, bringing it back to you over here.
Yeah, I would say we are in the first inning of the first game of the cryptocurrency season, and it's a little early to be calling Coinbase's success or failure based on what they're doing with the two main cryptocurrencies, which, yes, are Bitcoin and Ethereum. And yes, there could be some short-term volatility. But long term, I mean, there are more than 50 cryptocurrencies out there, any one of which could break out. There could be more developments, new marketplaces, possibly the NFT marketplaces, and we don't even know what else. I think that Coinbase's future depends on their ability to capitalize on a very fast-growing and fast-changing marketplace.
All right, Sarah, looking at the big picture there. Richard?
I'm going short on Coinbase. I think a lot of the good points made here, but look, they have the biggest, fattest profit margins they're ever going to have in their history right now. Nobody's, competing with them really in terms of on-ramping the masses. But look, you look at this thing across time, their trading fees are going to get compressed, their custody fees are going to get compressed. And look, they totally missed giant market opportunities like NFTs, which did $1.5 billion last quarter. I do think they're going to have a lot of success when it comes to these alternative coins. You look at their S1, 2019, 18% were these alternative coins from the big three. And then 20, we're talking about 44% that were these alternative coins. 2021 were 50% or more. So I think we are still early innings, but it's not Coinbase's to take.
All right. Yeah, the competitors out there cracking. We got Webull, Binance. Obviously, Robinhood only does a few of those, but you could pick up that Dogecoin on Robinhood. Also to be noted, research on crypto, Mizari and Delphi Digital are the two kind of leaders there. So if you want to look at those altcoins, I would go there. Anything else?
Predominantly Mizari, which is an underscore portfolio company.